Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Crypto Wiz here. As if you didn't know, I like to do Bitcoin giveaways. So if you want to participate, you must leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells for more updates. And for a warning, I'm not a financial advisor, so please only invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, so we're going to talk about this website called SpaceMining. Is it a scam? Yes, of course. Want to know why? It's because right here, it says right here. You know how it says start with 100 gigahash for free on sign up? All websites do that, and they turn out to be scams. And this one pays 10%. It's too much. You guys need to be careful because these things are just like another copycat of Sierra Hash and Aurora Mine. See, look at that. 10 days. And you get your investment back. So let's say you bought that's a lot of earnings. But I'm going to tell you like this though. This program is not going to last. Usually, HYPs that pay like 10% or higher, they last like either a week, 10 days, or 20, maybe even 30. But it is very profitable. But if you get in at the right time, hey, you got your money back. But you guys need to be careful because these things don't last. See, 13 days. I can guarantee you that this is going to scam in a few days. Like, Mark Morris, give me a few days. I know it will. And you know how I can tell this is a scam too? Alright, so let's go to, Scam Advisor. I could search that website up. Now, and I'll guarantee you, it's going to give me some bullshit. Watch. Just watch, y'all. Like, it's crazy. Alright, so I'm going to type in the website. So I need to click on this link. And I'm going to paste it right here. And let's check it. Hopefully it don't take too long. See, look at this site is very new, has unknown reputation. And this is from UK, United Kingdom. They are scammers. This is a new site, so they don't know. But as you can see, the website is 40 days old. The website expected life 365 days is relatively short. This website appears to be less than 6 months old. The website deemed it is popular by Alexa with a ranking of 533558. I'm surprised. I don't know who owned this site. Oh, look at it. Owner? Lewis Wright? Oh shit. Look at that. Oh, somebody put their name out there. So there's somebody named Lewis Wright that's doing a scam. Here's an email too right here. Damn. And it's in Germany? Damn. Look at this. This is surprising. Most websites I go to, they hide their identity. This one didn't hide it. So, Lewis Wright, a scammer? Come on, man. Why you try to scam people's money now? Let me see. Man, I'm not gonna do that. But if you go on Facebook, do some research, you guys can really find out who this guy is. He sure is a scammer. But as of a way, I do have some websites I could go to that's really legit. Let's start with the ICO. There's this ICO called Chrysos. Phase 5 started. It's $1.65. Y'all need to get in because in 3 days it's going to increase. So we have 7 more days and the Atlantic platform is going to start up. Or how much money that you brought out of this, you can start lending right here. A lot of percentage. And if you have like 500 or 1,000 tokens, you can 14 to 20 times your money. So this could be the next debut coin. Hopefully this website is good, because I look at the white paper, it looks good so far. And we have another website called Monetize. This is another website I need to go to. This one is legit. 33,000 members. You know what I'm saying? I need to get in this because February it's supposed to hit like $10. So wherever each coin that you buy is gonna be 10 times your money. And we got, let's see, Crypterra net. This is another hashing. If you want to start mining, you can start mining your Bitcoin. So far this looked good on the website too. Couple of issues, but I think they're fixing it now. See, here go the prices right here. No. I mean the estimate profit. I'm sorry. If you was to buy a contract, here's the prices right here: $32, $384, $19.20. Y'all better get them going on, cause man, it's going up, baby. It's going up. And we have Hashflare. And we got Hashflare. Hashflare is, I'm pretty sure this is 100% legit. The only problem is the price and the minute withdrawal has gone up, so you can't really do anything about it. I'm waiting for more updates on this, but yes, you can get your money on this, because I've seen a lot of people withdraw. That's because they have like maybe 20 or 30 gigahashes. No, 20, 30 terahash of me. It's my bad. I'm at 30,000 or 14,000 gigahash, But these are the good websites. So I highly recommend y'all to get in this. Anyways, I'll catch y'all later. It's your boy Crypto Wiz here, and I'll catch y'all in the next update. Deuces.